Hey learners, welcome back to Quizzer English. Today we're practicing 50 common English questions and answers you can use every day. These are real-life conversations, not textbook English. So repeat after us, copy the rhythm, and sound natural like a native. Everyday basics.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
I'm Nicole. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How's the weather?
It's nice and sunny today.
What time is it?
It's around 3 o'clock.
Are you busy right now?
A bit, but I can chat.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What are you doing?
Just relaxing.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks.
Tip: use contractions I'm, it's, don't for natural flow. Travel and places. Do you like traveling?
Yes, it's fun.
Been abroad?
Not yet, but I want to.
Dream vacation?
Bali or Maldives.
Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Most beautiful place?
Manali in India. Gorgeous views.
Travel often?
A few times a year.
Like road trips?
Absolutely.
Who do you travel with?
I often travel with either family or friends.
How do you travel?
I usually travel either by train or by car.
What do you pack first?
Phone charger and snacks.
Tip: use I'd love to and I usually to sound polite and fluent.
Small talk.
What are you up to?
Not much, just relaxing.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, it's great.
What do you do on weekends?
Hang out with friends or watch movies.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop and lo-fi.
Do you like reading?
Yes, mostly mystery books.
What's your favorite show?
Friends, so funny.
Do you cook?
Sometimes pasta is my specialty.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you have pets?
Yeah, a cute dog.
Tip: add fillers like actually, for natural rhythm. Food and drinks. Favorite food?
Pizza always.
Like spicy food?
Love it.
Eat out often?
Twice a week.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee in the morning, tea at night.
Can you cook Indian food?
A few dishes, yeah.
Favorite restaurant?
A small cafe near home?
Like desserts?
Of course, I have a sweet tooth.
Comfort food?
Maggi noodles.
Prefer eating out or home?
Depends on my mood.
Food you can eat daily?
Rice and curry.
Tip: add why in your answer. It keeps conversations alive. Work and study. What do you do for a living?
I'm an English tutor.
Like your job?
Yes, very rewarding.
How long have you been there?
About 2 years.
What are your working hours?
From 9 to 5.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes.
What are you studying?
English and communication.
Is your job stressful?
Sometimes, but manageable.
Favorite teacher?
My English teacher from school.
Do you enjoy online learning?
Yeah, it's flexible.
How do you stay motivated?
I set goals and reward myself. That's our first 50. Pause, replay, and practice them daily.
And don't forget, Keep your tone relaxed and smile while you speak.
Subscribe for part 2, the next 50 questions coming up.
Speak smart, sound natural, follow Quizzer English.